Welcome to our channel. Today we're whisking you away to the heart of Spain, to the vibrant city of Madrid. Imagine strolling down sun-drenched plazas, the scent of paella wafting from cozy restaurants and the joyous rhythm of flamenco echoing through the streets. From its grand history reflected in magnificent palaces to its modern energy pulsating in trendy neighborhoods, Madrid has something for everyone. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel guides.
Before we dive into the treasures of Madrid, let's first get our bearings. Picture a map of Spain, and right in the very heart of it, you'll find Madrid. Not just geographically central, Madrid is also the heart and soul of Spain, its energy radiating outwards to every corner of the country. Being right in the center, it's a perfect jumping-off point for exploring all that Spain has to offer. From the sunny beaches of the Costa del Sol to the historic cities of Andalusia. But for now, let's focus on the magic that awaits us right here in Madrid.
Now close your eyes and imagine a city bustling with over 3 million people, a city that never sleeps, where the energy is contagious and the streets are alive with laughter and conversation. That's Madrid. As the largest city in Spain, Madrid has a vibrancy that's simply intoxicating. You'll find a beautiful mix of locals going about their day, their warmth and hospitality infectious, and visitors from all walks of life, drawn to Madrid's unique charm. This is a city that embraces you, making you feel like you're part of its vibrant tapestry, even if you're just passing through.
When planning a trip, the weather often dictates our packing list, doesn't it? Well, for Madrid, pack your sunglasses and your appetite for sunshine. Madrid enjoys a Mediterranean climate, which means warm, dry summers perfect for exploring its many outdoor cafes and plazas. Picture yourself sipping sangria under the azure sky, the sun warming your skin as you soak in the city's lively atmosphere. And even in the milder winters, you'll find plenty of sunshine to brighten your days. So pack light, bring your adventurous spirit, and get ready to experience Madrid's infectious energy.
As we wander through the bustling markets and charming squares of Madrid, we are immediately enveloped by the vibrant energy that defines this city. The air is filled with the sounds of vendors calling out their wares, the laughter of friends meeting for coffee, and the distant strumming of a guitar. Let's tune our ears to the melodic sounds of the local language, Spanish. It's a language that flows like a song, with its rhythmic cadence and expressive intonations. While you'll find that many Madrileños, especially in tourist areas, speak English, there's something truly special about engaging with them in their native tongue. It shows respect and a willingness to immerse yourself in their culture. Knowing a few basic Spanish phrases will enrich your experience tenfold. Simple words and phrases can bridge the gap between cultures and create memorable connections. Imagine ordering tapas like a local "una cana por favor," a small beer please, and feeling a sense of accomplishment as the bartender nods in understanding, or asking for directions with a friendly "pardon," excuse me, and receiving not just directions but perhaps a story or a recommendation for a hidden gem. Even a simple "hola," hello, can open doors to warm smiles and genuine interactions. It's amazing how a single word can break down barriers and invite kindness. So, embrace the musicality of the Spanish language. Let its rhythm and melody guide you through your journey. Let it be your guide as you unlock the secrets of Madrid, discovering not just the city's landmarks, but its heart and soul. With each word you learn, you become a part of the story of this incredible city.
Now let's step back in time and imagine Madrid as the beating heart of a powerful empire. As the capital of Spain, Madrid isn't just a city, it's a symbol of national pride, a place where history whispers from every corner. Picture grand palaces, imposing government buildings, and elegant avenues, all testaments to Madrid's status as the center of Spanish power. From the Royal Palace, the official residence of the Spanish royal family, to the Cortes Generales, the Spanish Parliament, you'll feel the weight of history and the importance of this grand city. As we stroll down the elegant Gran Via with its grand architecture and bustling shops, it's easy to see that Madrid is more than just a pretty face. It's a powerhouse, a major financial center in Europe, and a driving force behind Spain's economy. Imagine the energy of international business deals being struck, the innovation of startups taking root, and the creativity of artists and designers finding their muse. Madrid's economy is a dynamic blend of tradition and modernity, a testament to its ability to adapt and thrive. Now let's talk about something practical: money. In Madrid, like in most of Western Europe, the currency is the euro. Imagine the convenience of not having to exchange currency, of being able to use your credit card with ease, and of knowing that your money goes a long way. From budget-friendly tapas bars to high-end restaurants, from charming souvenir shops to designer boutiques, Madrid offers something for every budget. So bring your euros, your credit cards, and your sense of adventure and get ready to experience the best that Madrid has to offer. But Madrid is more than just its grand buildings and bustling economy. It's a city steeped in tradition, its cultural heritage woven into the very fabric of daily life. Imagine the passion of a flamenco dancer's staccato steps, the warmth of a shared plate of tapas with friends, and the excitement of a bullfight, though we encourage ethical alternatives. These traditions are more than just tourist attractions. They're a way of life, a celebration of Madrid's rich history and vibrant culture.
Speaking of celebrations, Madrid knows how to throw a party. Throughout the year, the city comes alive with festivals that fill the streets with music, dancing, and pure joy. Imagine the energy of San Isidro, Madrid's patron saint festival, with its colourful parades, traditional costumes, and lively street performances. Or picture the magic of La Paloma, a neighbourhood festival in August, where the streets are adorned with decorations and the air is filled with the sounds of music and laughter. These festivals are a feast for the senses, a chance to experience the true spirit of Madrid.
Of course, no trip to Madrid would be complete without indulging in its delectable cuisine. The city is a melting pot of flavors, where traditional recipes meet modern culinary innovations. Imagine the explosion of flavors as you savor a plate of paella, the saffron-infused rice perfectly cooked with seafood, chicken, or vegetables. Each bite is a symphony of taste, a true representation of Spanish culinary artistry. Or picture yourself joining locals for a tapas crawl, sampling an array of small dishes like patatas bravas, spicy potatoes, tortilla española, Spanish omelette, and gambas al ajillo, garlic shrimp. Tapas are more than just food. They are a social experience, a way to connect with friends and family over shared plates. And don't forget to satisfy your sweet tooth with churros, those crispy fried dough pastries dipped in thick hot chocolate. This delightful treat is a favorite among both locals and tourists, perfect for a mid-morning snack or a late-night indulgence. Madrid is a paradise for food lovers, a place where every meal is a celebration of life. From bustling markets to cozy cafes, the city's culinary scene is vibrant and diverse, offering something for every palate. Whether you're a fan of traditional dishes or eager to try something new, Madrid's cuisine will leave you craving for more.
Now, with your senses tantalized and your curiosity piqued, let's dive into the top 10 must-see attractions that await you in Madrid. This city, rich in history and culture, offers a plethora of experiences that will leave you enchanted and yearning for more. From world-renowned museums to bustling squares, Madrid has something for everyone. 1. The Prado Museum. Imagine standing before masterpieces by Goya, Velázquez, and El Greco, their brushstrokes transporting you to another time and place. This museum, one of the finest art galleries in the world, houses an extensive collection of European art dating from the 12th to the early 20th century. As you wander through its halls, you'll encounter works that have shaped the course of art history, each piece telling its own unique story. 2. The Royal Palace. Step into a world of opulence and grandeur as you explore the official residence of the Spanish royal family. With over 3,000 rooms, this palace is one of the largest in Europe. Its lavish interiors, adorned with exquisite tapestries, frescoes, and chandeliers, are a testament to Spain's regal past. Don't miss the Royal Armoury, which houses a remarkable collection of weapons and armour. 3. Retiro Park. Escape the city buzz in this sprawling green oasis, where you can rent a rowboat on the lake, stroll through rose gardens, or simply relax under the shade of ancient trees. This park, once a royal retreat, is now a favourite spot for both locals and tourists. Be sure to visit the Crystal Palace, a stunning glass pavilion that often hosts art exhibitions. 4. Puerta del Sol. Feel the pulse of the city in this iconic square, a popular meeting point and home to the famous clock that marks the start of the new year. This bustling hub is also the location of the Kilometer Zero plaque, the point from which all Spanish roads are measured. As you stand in the heart of Madrid, you'll be surrounded by historic buildings, shops, and cafes, each contributing to the vibrant atmosphere. 5. Plaza Mayor. Step back in time in this grand 17th century square, surrounded by arcaded buildings and adorned with frescoes. Once the site of bullfights, markets, and public executions, Plaza Mayor is now a lively space filled with cafes and street performers. Take a moment to admire the statue of King Philip III at the center of the square, a reminder of Madrid's rich history. 6. Temple of Devout Witness. A piece of ancient Egypt in the heart of Madrid at this stunning temple, gifted to Spain by the Egyptian government. This ancient structure, dating back to the 2nd century BC, was carefully dismantled and rebuilt in Madrid. As you explore the temple and its surrounding gardens, you'll be treated to breathtaking views of the city, especially at sunset when the temple is bathed in golden light. 7. Gran Via. Experience the energy of Madrid's Broadway, a bustling avenue lined with theatres, cinemas, shops and restaurants. This lively street, often referred to as the Spanish Broadway, is the perfect place to catch a show, enjoy some shopping, or simply soak in the vibrant atmosphere. At night, Gran Via comes alive with neon lights and the buzz of nightlife, making it a must-visit destination. 8. Santiago Bernabéu Stadium. Football fans, rejoice! Take a tour of this iconic stadium, home to Real Madrid, one of the world's most famous football clubs. Whether you're a die-hard fan or just curious about the sport, the Santiago Bernabéu offers an unforgettable experience. Explore the museum, walk through the players' tunnel, and even step onto the pitch where legends have played. 9. Reina Sofia Museum. Explore the world of modern and contemporary art, including Picasso's Guernica, a powerful anti-war masterpiece. This museum, housed in a former hospital, features works by some of the most influential artists of the 20th century, including Salvador Dali and Joan Miró. As you wander through its galleries, you'll encounter thought-provoking pieces that challenge and inspire. 10. El Rastro Flea Market. Unearth treasures and soak up the lively atmosphere of Madrid's biggest flea market, held every Sunday. This bustling market, with its maze of stalls selling everything from antiques to clothing, is a treasure trove for bargain hunters. As you navigate through the crowds, you'll experience the vibrant energy of Madrid's local culture. These are just a few of the countless gems waiting to be discovered in Madrid. Each attraction offers a unique glimpse into the city's rich tapestry of history, art, and everyday life. So pack your bags and get ready to explore the wonders of Madrid.
Thanks for joining me on this virtual journey through the heart of Spain. If this taste of Madrid has sparked your wanderlust, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow travel enthusiasts. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel guides and tips to inspire your next adventure. Until then, keep dreaming, keep exploring, and I'll see you in our next video.